Okay, this is pretty much the same kind of problem, just going the other direction. They've written a percent tolerance for us, the actual accepted measurement here. And then they're giving the percent that you're allowed to be off by. Percent error. All right? So as far as things that these represent, this represents the whole. And this represents the percent. Right? So what we don't know is the part. So we're looking for the part. So what part is, if you will, what is 0.2% of the accepted measurement of 2.450 inches? So we're looking to find out how much we're allowed to be off by in our measurement with the 0.2% error. So I've got my percent proportion created. I do my percent proportion structure. 0.2% goes on top of 100. What is, we don't know. Of 2.450. This is here. Once we create the proportion, we cross multiply 100x. See, 2.450 times 2 would be 0, 0, carry the 1, 9, 4, and we got 4 decimal places, 0.4900. Then we divide both sides by 100. Dividing by 100 moves decimal point 2 spaces to the left. Notice we're already all the way to the left, so we're going to have to add a couple zeros. So x equals 0.0049, and you can put the other zeros at the end if you want to. The ending zeros don't matter in a decimal, so I'm just going to chop those off, pretend they aren't there. So that's the amount of error I'm allowed, 0.0049 inches. So as far as writing a dimension value, that's what we just saw on the last slide. It's the accepted measurement plus or minus the error inches. So it's going to be 2.450 plus or minus 0.0049 inches. When they ask for a dimension value, this is what a dimension value looks like. Write it like that. And then this is the accepted value. That's what goes there. And whatever we got here, and you put the unit, whatever unit it is, at the very back of it. That's how you write a dimension value. Make sense? Typically on those problems, it's going to be one or the other. So you're either going to start in dimension value, so you'll be getting a part in the whole. You have to find the percent, write a percent tolerance. Or you'll be given the percent tolerance, you'll be given the percent in the whole, you have to find the part, you write a dimension value. So there's not one where you know the part and the percent usually. I don't think. If this number's missing though, that's one of those. I don't see a reason they would have that happening. So.